Sometimes I walk. It's healthy.
Yes, I walk every day in the park.
Me too. The park is beautiful. Let's talk about our homes, okay?
Yes, good idea.
I live alone in a small flat.
Do you have a cat?
Yes, his name is Max. He is white and lazy.
I like cats.
Do you live with friends?
Yes, I live with Anna and Tom. Anna is from Germany. Tom is from Japan.
Nice. Is your flat big?
No, it's small, but we have a kitchen and a sofa.
I have a sofa too. Max sleeps on it. Let's talk about our families. I miss them.
Yes, I miss my family too.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Older or younger?
Brothers are older, sister is younger, 18.
Cool. I have one brother. He is 25.
What does he do?
He works in a bank.
My brother works in a bank too.
Oh, maybe they can meet. What do your parents do?
They are teachers. They teach in a school.
My mother is a teacher too. She teaches maths.
Small world.
Yes, life is funny. Let's talk about hobbies. What do you like?
Yes, good idea.
I like reading books and walking in the park.
I like music and films.
What music?
Pop and rock. Ed Sheeran, Coldplay.
I like Ed Sheeran too. Shape of You is my favorite.
Let's listen to it together.
Yes, on my phone. Do you watch films?
Yes, every weekend. I like action films.
Like superhero films?
Yes, Iron Man, Spider-Man. And you?
I like romantic films, like The Notebook.
I saw it. It's sad but beautiful.
Yes, I cry every time.
You are romantic.
Let's talk about the weather. It's sunny today.
Yes, I like sun. I don't like rain.
Me neither. Rain is cold and wet.
In New York, we have snow in winter.
Really? I never saw snow.
You must come in December.
Yes, I want to see snow. Let's talk about travel. I want to show you New York.
Yes, and you can visit London again.
Do you want to go to the museum next Saturday?
Yes, I love museums.
We can see old things and take photos.
I'll bring my camera.
Great. Let's go at 11. Let's talk about work. I want a part-time job.
Yes, good idea.
There are jobs in cafes and shops.
I want to work in a computer shop.
That's a good idea. You can help people.
Yes, and I can learn more.
Let's talk about health. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Why?
I was sick yesterday.
Oh no. What happened?
I had a cold. I stayed in bed.
I'm sorry. Did you drink tea?
Yes, and I slept a lot.
Rest is important.
John, let's talk about weekends. What do you do?
Yes, good idea.
I call my parents or go shopping.
I study or walk in the park.
Do you celebrate Christmas?
Yes, we have a tree, gifts, and turkey.
Same here. We open gifts in the morning.
We open them at night, after dinner.
Nice. Do you sing songs?
Yes, Jingle Bells, Silent Night.
I sing too, in the shower.
Yes, me too.
Let's talk about the future. What will you do?
After 3 months, I go back to the USA.
Oh, I will miss you.
I will miss you too, Emma, but we can talk on the phone.
Yes, and you can visit me in New York.
Yes, and you can come to London again.
Of course. Friends forever?
Yes, friends forever.